Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is entitled Karen Calls 911 from the Back of a Cruiser.
This Karen is about to go ballistic on these cops.
I want a paramedic now!
Cops were called to a home after a delivery driver said that the woman inside punched him in the face. When cops arrived, it would quickly get dramatic.
Get your light on? Yeah. Where's she at? She just closed the door a second ago. Oh, god damn, she's doing this bullshit.
Hi guys.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm
Melissa?
great.
Melissa?
Yeah, this is not my house. You can't come in here. No, you need to... Oh, excuse me?
Whose house is this? Your sister, right?
Bro, am I under arrest? Look.
All right.
Excuse me? Am I under arrest? I do not... Either.
Still in.
Oh my God! What? Take me outside. I don't live here.
We know.
Get my shoes. I know my fucking rights.
Let's go. Get to the car.
Oh, I have you on tape.
Yeah, we have you on tape too. Hold on.
Ow!
This is how it's going on. This is how it's going.
Help! Help!
Do we have to carry you?
Yeah, you do.
Oh, see, you can walk this way.
No, I can't. Wait, drag or carry?
Drag. I can carry you.
Wait, what was your name?
Quit trying to push me over.
No, what's your fucking name?
Officer Knifel.
Officer Knifel, you said carry or drag.
Yeah, if we have to carry you, we will.
Then carry me, bitch. That's what I call, bitch. I fucking will. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Yesenia.
Please leave your message for 70.
Yesenia, 911. I'm in cuffs. Please help me. John, I'm in the back of a police car. Bro, just beat the shit out of me. John, I have my... oh shit, I dropped my phone. John, I still have my phone. They're right here. I'm in the cop car. John, I don't know what they're gonna do to me. John, I'm bleeding everywhere. John, it's her house. Oh my God. John, they're coming back in the car. Be quiet. Where are you taking me?
The station, what do you think?
Sir, I do not like the way you talk to me. I don't know what the f*** I think. I have no shoes on. I've never been arrested. Explain to me when I ask you questions like I explained to you. Talk to me with respect. Where are you taking me?
You're going to the station, I told you.
What's your name?
Jones.
Officer Jones, where am I going?
The police station.
What police station?
Bensonville.
For what?
You got arrested.
Arrested for what? Nobody has read me my rights. Stop the car and read me my rights.
I think you're misinformed.
Stop the car right now and read me my rights.
Or what? I don't have to read you your rights.
You what?
I don't have to read you your rights.
Is that a new Illinois law?
What?
Is that a new Illinois law?
You have no idea what you're talking about.
What? I have my phone on me. Do you want to ask me again what I'm talking about, officer? Or do you want to pull over and erase all this?
Hey, can
I'm
you
sorry,
book
what? Help! 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 Help!
Can you meet me in book?
I need help!
Okay, I'll be there in a minute, alright?
Help me! I'm in a police car on York Road, East and Green Road, and I don't know who's arresting.
Whoa. Whoa. So not only did they not do a simple pat frisk, they put the cuffs on too loose and she completely got out of them. Whoa. You would think that they would be on a little bit tighter because they had to fuss with her to even get them on in the first place. Luckily, it's only a phone and it's not a weapon.
And I'm in handcuffs. I need help, please. No. He keeps telling me that I know what's going on and I'm bruised everywhere. Please, Daddy, press the police station. Please get me out of here. Oh my God.
It's that lady on the corner. You know the building. Those two sisters.
Yeah, in the very corner.
Yeah, it's that one. The younger one, I think it is Melissa.
Okay.
She's
Where's your arrested for?
domestic.
Oh, this fucking bitch.
Hello?
Girl, I'm not around no cops, and I need your help.
Oh, her sister's her whole face is bloody. Michael came back to get her on the camera for it. So. I mean, she's definitely drunk. You can smell her being drunk.
Girl, I'm in the back of a police car, and my fucking shoulder is going on. I gotta go. Don't hang up.
She's sitting at Yeah.
I got like one of those things in the door.
Put me on mute. Put me on mute.
All right, come on, hop out.
I can't hop out. I'm handcuffed.
Okay, come on. Can you stop this?
What is your name?
Can
No,
you stop?
I cannot stop shit. What is your... Don't fucking touch me until you identify yourself.
I already gave my name.
You did not give me your name or I will not be asking.
I did.
What is your name? I want your sergeant. Bro, I do not... Bro, do not fucking touch... Help!
She slipped out of a cuff.
I did not slip out my fucking phone.
Help me! Oh my fucking God! Oh my God! Somebody, please, fucking help me!
She slipped out of a cuff.
Okay.
So she has one cuff on her.
What's her name?
Melissa. Melissa Fleming.
Almost West. That's good.
Yeah, because you guys did a piss poor job. You didn't check her. She's been on her phone the whole goddamn time. You didn't put the cuffs on tight enough. Jesus.
Hey, Melissa.
Hey, baby.
Hey, we're trying to just play it cool. We're at this
Are
point
you
now. We're trying to.
I hope you are.
Okay, all right. Just do us a favor, okay? Just coming out. I'm gonna
You
help
don't
you.
have to touch me.
You don't
Tell
want me
me
to help
what
you?
to
Okay,
do.
just get out of the car if you can. I was just trying to help you, but if you don't want help, that's cool. Don't worry.
I'm trying to help you.
All right, come on out.
Actually, I'm trying to... No, actually, I don't want to help nobody. I want to look to my lawyer.
Okay, well, here's the thing. If you don't come out, we're gonna have to put our hands on you and get you out.
He fucking already did.
Well, we don't want to do that. I'm asking you nicely.
Again?
I'm asking you nicely.
Be a man.
Can you please get out of the car? Listen, hey, listen, don't look at him. Look at me.
Ganga, you got the wrong motherfucking one. You better call somebody else.
Here's the thing. We're trying. Listen, I don't want to do this. I mean, it doesn't do anything. You know that, right? Do you want to be
Neither
dragged?
does any of this.
Listen,
you know that, right?
Do you want to listen?
Doesn't do anything.
Listen, hey, listen. Do you want to?
Stop talking to me. I want my lawyer.
Do you want to? Do you want us to drag you out? Is that what you want? I'm asking you nicely. Can you please step out of the car?
Ganga,
I don't know what that means.
you never introduced yourself.
I'm Officer Navarro. You are?
I'm sorry, who are you?
Officer Navarro.
No, what'd you say when you came out?
What did who say when he came out?
What did you say?
I said I'm Officer. You asked
No,
me.
you didn't. You say we don't want no problems.
Correct.
You never introduced yourself.
No, I apologize. I'm Officer Navarro.
I'm not apologizing.
I didn't ask you to apologize. I said
I didn't ask him to apologize. I want my lawyer. You didn't do
That's
this.
fine.
He did.
Okay.
Get
That's
him
fine.
the away
All right.
from me and call somebody.
All right. Well, hey, listen.
Drag me out. I don't give a fuck. Get him away from me.
There's a phone right there. You can call your lawyer, but we gotta walk over
Bro,
there.
I don't care who you call. Nobody's touching
I'm not calling
me
no
again.
one. I'm not calling anyone.
Call an ambulance. I want an ambulance.
Okay. All right. You gonna get out of the car or not?
No, you're a paramedic. Will take me out this car.
Okay. All right. I mean, she doesn't want to get out. We'll drag her out. I don't know what else to do.
I need medical attention. You're not paramedics. I need a paramedic.
I need you to get out.
He hurt me.
Okay, I need you to get out.
Get him away from me. Get him away from me.
I tried being nice.
Or close
Okay.
the fucking door. Get
We're gonna drag you out, okay? If he goes away, are you gonna get out?
I want a paramedic.
Okay. If he goes
away, I want a paramedic.
Okay. Well, first we gotta get over
I
there.
want a paramedic now because he fucked me up.
Listen, it's not the way it works.
I want a paramedic now.
I want $1 million now.
Well,
Give
you
him to
better
me.
play the lottery or get
Give him
arrested
to
by
me.
officer. Fuck you. Give me a paramedic.
Why are we playing this game? Why are we playing into her BS? She's not coming out. Go there, 1 officer on each side, 2 on the side, closest to the door, 1 officer on the other side so she doesn't go out the other side, or you could push her through, grab her, and drag her ass inside. Why are we still talking here? There's nothing to talk about. Get her together. She's obviously under the influence of something. Sober her up, okay?
Give me a paramedic. Give me a fucking paramedic. Give me a paramedic now. I don't give a fuck who you talk to. Get him away from me. Fucking call somebody.
You will never get me out of this car.
Close the door. I want a paramedic.
I don't give a shit what you want.
Please, I
No.
want a paramedic now.
I mean, I'm ready when you guys are ready. Want to drag her out? I don't care.
I will not leave this car until
That's the next step.
I got nothing else to say.
What are we doing?
Let's pull her out.
You are not touching me. No!
One way or another. Make that right. I told you. One way or another. You get.
You might actually think I know a thing or two, huh? Remember I said 1 person on the other side, 2 on one side, 1 push her through, grab her and drag her out. Listen, come on, man. Come on, I know a thing or two now. Don't act like I don't. You know I know a thing or two, man. Get her together, man.
Now, let's go. You want to be dragged? Get dragged. I don't care. Not out.
I can't walk. My leg
Well, too
hurts.
bad. Stand up. Stop acting like a child. Stop acting like a child, or we're gonna drag you.
No, my
You want to stand up, or do you not want to stand up? Come on. All right,
I
let's
need
go.
medical attention.
Let's go. We're gonna
Help.
get dragged. Come on.
Help. I can't. My
Come on.
leg is sprained.
You want to help him out? Oh, she's out now.
Stop.
Oh, she's just.
I thought you were a good one.
Yeah, I thought too. Watch it.
You better stop the weight up.
Now she appears to be just fine.
Yep. Well, she's just fine.
Spit at you.
Right.
Catch another charge. Catch another charge.
Can't catch a fucking break today.
I was trying to help you out. Jesus.
It's like, you to call me 10 minutes earlier.
Melissa wouldn't make it any easier on the cops overnight, as the next morning they found that she had left them a present on the floor. She was charged with domestic battery causing bodily harm, domestic battery, physical contact, battery causes harm, attempted battery, insulting or provoking contact, and attempted aggravated assault on a police officer. Due to none of the Illinois court websites working, I was unable to find if she had been sentenced for any of these charges.
Yeah. No, not bad. She, by them leaving her a present or whatever, it means she pooped. She pooped on the floor. She seems like one of them inmates that would be cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, man. I've seen inmates freaking eat their own shit. You know how foul that is? You know how sick you gotta be to eat your own shit? God, I'm telling you, I'm traumatized, okay? I was in corrections from 21 to I was like 28 going on 29. So it was like a couple of months shy from my 29th birthday or whatever. But imagine being 21 years old, having to do shit watches. That's what they call it, you know, when inmates take drugs or whatever, or take something, or maybe swallow contraband or whatever, and you got to wait for them to poop it out or whatever. The old timers don't want to do it. So guess what? The rookie gonna do it. Okay. Imagine doing 8 hours or being stuck and doing 16 hours and sitting there, you know, on a shit watch. You got to watch them use the bathroom every time. You know what I'm saying? And if they poop, you got to go through it and find the contraband. It's foul. Or you get a crazy guy, you know what I'm saying? And that's what I mean by I seen an inmate eat his own crap. Okay. He took a poop. The stuff came out and he swallowed it again. I'm telling you, that'll scar you, boy. You listen, you go into that job field, you is not walking out the same. I tell you that, boy. Traumatizing, okay? Anyway, what was I gonna say? The officers, I mean, I don't know. I gotta give it 2 out of 5, man. No pat frisk at all. Even though she's a female, you know, you still got to do a standard pat frisk. It's just that you use the back of your hand instead of the front of your hand. So you did no pat frisk. The cuffs were super loose. Luckily, she didn't have any weapons on her. You would have never even known because you didn't do a pat frisk. Took way too long to get her out of the car. We're talking to her like as if she's like, whatever. Like, come on. Are we going to sit here all day or are we going to grab her? Like, what are we doing here? So 2 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.